Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the Real TM Fishing YouTube channel. It's supposed to be really windy today, but it's also supposed to be in the mid to high 70s. So just gonna do some bobber fishing this morning. Gonna take a couple catfish poles with us just to throw them out and see if we have any luck. But yeah, it's just gonna be just a bobber and a minnow trip today. So thanks for tagging along, and hey, let's go fishing, y'all. Man, well, I thought I was recording. Look at that guy. Yeah, not too bad. Smallmouth? I do believe so. I don't know. Pretty though. Well, let's get him back in the water. That's a good fish. It's a good fish. There he goes. All right. First fish of the day. Looks like a pretty decent fish. I'm not 100% sure. Little bass. That's a good bass. Right. Not huge, but I'm gonna get this out of him right quick. Oh boy, we barely had him hooked. That's a nice one. That's two for the day. Oh, sorry, buddy. I'm gonna take a picture with him, turn him loose. It's been a slow morning, but nice to see him. All right, guys. There he goes. Fish number 2. This is our second spot. I don't know, it's been one of those mornings. Oh, yellow bass. Pretty good one too, actually. Not too bad. Alrighty. Get this guy back in the water. Woo. Nice. It's been one of those days. I missed a lot of fish today. It's been windy, and got a lot on my mind, and today's just one of those days where I wasn't fishing to make content, I was just fishing to fish. You can see that the wind's howling today. It's been like this all morning. I'm gonna rebait and get back out here. Oh my God, that's a good fish. I've missed about 14 fish since I've been here, and I would say this is the culprit right here. Another little yellow bass. Bad. The mouth's just not very big, and they are little sneaky. I'm glad to catch him though. Like I said, I've literally missed somewhere between 10 and 14 fish since I've been here. There we go. It's not often I leave out and I've used every minnow I had. I bought 3 dozen today, and like I said, I have a single one left. Woo-wee! Boy, that wind. Last minnow too. See if we can get him. Flip him up here. How about that on the very last one? So that's three yellow bass that we've caught here. Now I would say it would be safe to say, yeah, I barely hooked him. Like I said, I've missed 10 to 14 fish today, somewhere in that range. I'd say I've missed 12 to be a safe number. So there we go. Last minnow, last cast, last fish. Not too bad. Get him back in there. There he goes. Alrighty. I think that's going to about do it. One, I'm out of minnows, and 2, I've been out here quite a while today. But we ended up with 5 fish, so not too shabby. Wind's still a howling, so we will pack up and get ready to head out. All right, so 5 fish for the day. Not the best day, but not the worst day. Like I said, I missed quite a few fish, so just one of those days. It's just a combination of things, I'd say. The wind, my mind not fully being present. It happens, but hey, I got to go fishing today, so that's a win right there. As always, thank y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that like and that subscribe button for me. Until next time, God bless, and hey, let's go fishing, y'all.